Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelation. So today's video is a product review. It's not sponsored, and my personal review on Agaro's digital air fryer brand. The model is elegant with 6.5 liters of capacity. This is an unboxing video with explanation of menu functions and few recipes that I've tried out in this air fryer. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So this is the box in which we received the product, and as mentioned earlier, the model is elegant. It has 2 years warranty with a capacity of 6.5 liters. So here you can see the specifications. The 1800 watts of power helps you to uniformly heat the fryer. It also comes with 360-degree air circulation technology, which helps you to grill, bake, roast and reheat your favorite dishes with less oil than normal frying. Also, you can manually set the temperature from 80 to 200 degrees centigrade and timer from 1 to 60 minutes. Also, it has touchscreen which helps you to set time and temperature manually, and another 12 preset menu functions for hassle-free cooking. So let's open this air fryer. Just need to pull the basket handle to take it out, and this is a recipe book which comes along with the product along with few other documents. This is the user manual which explains the do's and don'ts of using the appliance. Then they've also provided tongs for handling food while cooking. This is the warranty card, and then comes the basket. It comes with a frying trivet. Before first use, clean the basket and the cooking trivet with some water and then wipe inside and outside, and then place the food and start air frying. One more thing that I liked is the cord storage facility behind the air fryer. The cord is pretty long. The space provides an easy way to hide those endless cables hanging over your kitchen countertops, providing a classy look. Now let's switch on the air fryer. While you switch it on, you can hear a beep, and then to start using the appliance, press on the power button. As mentioned earlier, you can manually adjust the temperature and the timing. So here you can adjust the temperature and then start on the power button for cooking. Now I'll quickly explain the menu function. The first one is for cooking fish, then for cake, chicken thigh, french fries, then bacon, then roasting option. Then the next one is for cooking chicken, then steak, shrimp for toasting, and for sauteing vegetables, and to keep something warm. And as explained earlier, you can adjust the temperature here and the timings here. Okay, so now let's try out a recipe. So these are some cutlets which I've already cooked and coated with breadcrumbs. Although they have mentioned that no oil is required, but just for my satisfaction, I applied a little bit of oil. That's just half a teaspoon. I just applied it with using a brush, and then place it inside the basket in the air fryer. Switch on the air fryer and set the temperature to 200 degrees centigrade. Here I've placed 6 cutlets, and the timing that I've kept is for 10 minutes. Then again switch on the power button. After about 5 to 6 minutes, please check on the food item that you have kept. Either turn or gently shake the basket so that the food cooks evenly. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedback in the comment section below and let me know if you want to learn more interesting and healthy recipes. So you can see that our cutlet has cooked perfectly. It's actually zero oil recipe and healthy. So now let's quickly try another recipe. It's everybody's all-time favorite, French fries. Here I'm using some ready to cook French fries. So quickly drop them into the air frying basket. From the preset menu function, you can select the French fry option. The temperature automatically sets to 200 degrees centigrade and the time being 20 minutes. You just need to press on the power button to start the cooking function. So after about 10 minutes, I've checked the French fries. It has turned out to be golden. Since the quantity is less, it took just 10 minutes. But if the quantity is more, gently shake the basket and keep it again till you reach the desired consistency. One more most requested and healthy recipe that I would like to try in the air fryer is sauteed vegetables. For that, take the vegetables of your choice, clean them, dice them and add it into a bowl. Here I've taken carrot, zucchini, broccoli, onion and capsicum. Now add in the spices of your choice. Here I've taken 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Gently toss all the vegetables. Put the vegetables into the air frying basket. Then from the preset cooking menu function, select sauteed vegetables and the temperature directly sets to 160 degrees centigrade with the timing being 15 minutes. As mentioned earlier, in air fryer you need to gently toss the food item for even cooking. So after about 9 to 10 minutes I have taken out the vegetables, gently toss it and place it again into the air fryer and continue cooking. So after about 15 minutes, our vegetables have cooked perfectly. It took just 1 tablespoon of oil. So for more healthy air frying recipes, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.